Hi, this is Mr. Estrada. In this video, we're going to be going over problem number 33 from the June 2012 Geometry Regents. The cylindrical tank shown in the diagram below is to be painted. The tank is open at the top and the bottom does not need to be painted. Only the outside needs to be painted. Each can of paint covers 600 square feet. How many cans of paint must be purchased to complete the job? Okay, so we are dealing with a lateral area problem here. More specifically, the lateral area of a right circular cylinder. Now, how do I know that it's lateral area? Well, the top is not going to be painted because the problem says that the tank is open at the top. And we're told that the bottom does not need to be painted. So the only part of this cylinder that's going to be painted is the lateral area, part that's standing up, so to speak. So this is the only part that needs to be painted. And to figure that out, to figure out how much area this covers, we could use our lateral area formula. So the lateral area formula is found in the reference sheet of the Geometry Regents. This is one of the few formulas that you do not need to memorize for the Geometry Regents because it's given to you in the formula sheet. So R is your radius and H is your height. In our problem, R is given as 12 feet. So R is 12 feet. The height is given as 22 feet. So all we really have to do now is substitute into this formula, find our lateral area, and then determine how many cans of paint must be purchased to complete the job. So let's substitute for R and H. And that's going to be 2 times pi times 12 times 22. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 times 22 is 528. So you get 528 pi. 528 times pi is approximately 1658.7. So the area that needs to be covered is 1658.7. But what they really want to know, what they really want to know is how many cans of paint do you need to buy to cover this area if each can of paint covers 600 square feet. In order to figure that out, we need to take 1658.7 and divide it by 600, and we get approximately 2.8. So how many cans of paint must be purchased to complete the job? Well, here's the thing. You can't go to the store and say, give me 2.8 cans of paint. They're going to look at you in a weird way. You either buy 2 cans of paint or you buy 3 cans of paint, but you can't buy 2.8 cans of paint. So which one is it? Is it 2 cans of paint or is it 3 cans of paint? It's going to be 3 cans of paint. Because if you buy 2 cans of paint, it's not going to cover the area that you need to paint. That's 1,200 square feet. You need to cover 1658.7. So it's better to just buy 3 cans of paint and have a little bit left over. So 3 cans of paint need to be purchased to complete this job. Thank you for your time. This is Mr. Estrada. Make sure you check out my other videos. Take care.